You need 5/15.
I got 3 right now.
Got 3, really?
Yeah. I still don't feel good.
We should go like this.
Well,
got something I can hold.
That's yeah, but that's just like so you can just go like this.
Oh.
I need that piece we just had now.
She's loading the ammo. Duck nurse.
Press the orange.
That's alright. You'll have to hold it kind of low.
Oh, that's pretty awesome.
International coming to your nation. Feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it vibration. We kill it, kill it, kill your radio station. Kill it with the sound, kill it with the sound. Hit it with the frequency.
You will want to hold it level. It shouldn't bite.
Shoot it with the bass, super mega frequency.
Sound.
Yes.
I program the rhythm, ask them who kill him, they say will I ever get him? Boom, boom, pow, let it style when I hit him. I know how to kill him when I kill him.
Safety on. Okay. Safety off.
Alright, it's hot.